Good afternoon. We're just going to have a look at my bike packing setup. Now, any bike can be used. I've had this bike for a good number of years, probably 4 or 5 years now. I resprayed it over the winter. It was bright green, now it's battleship grey. But this is my bike of choice. I've recently been getting the frame bag made, Alp kit, one of the Stingray ones. You just cut a piece of cardboard out and then send it off and they build it up. I've got two Apodura bags. I have my little X1 drone in there, and normally the camera, my little GoPro that I film with, that goes there as well. And I have another GoPro that mounts onto the phone mount. I added this little extra bar, obviously for the Garmin. Surprised now how many extra things you require. And there is my front roll bar type bag. Now in that one, I've got a sleeping bag and my down jacket. I have two bottles for water on either side, fork mounted, and in this bag, yeah, bit of a mess mine, but I've got waterproofs, toolkit, spare cables, zip ties. I have a power bank in there which runs up with a magnetic attachment, so I can mount it onto the back of the light, or I can mount it onto the Garmin, because that struggles when you're doing full day rides to keep a charge for more than probably four hours. It'll start getting low, so I can just top it back up with this. But I'll just put it on there just to keep it out of the way. Just magnetic. So yeah, I've got toolkit, a buff, got a mirror for flies in the eyes, got zip ties, as I said, and cables. Also in the toolkit I have the quick links for chains, which on my last trip managed to snap my chain. Now I have a rack mount, got a light there and a light there. Yeah, I've just recently changed the chain because that last one I had, as I say, snapped. So I put a SRAM one on, hoping that'll last a little bit longer. But right, what I'll do is I'll bring you back once I've got the Pannier bags on. Yeah, so before I mount them, I'll just quickly show you the bags. So these are just an Altura roll top type bag. Now I just pinched the mount off my old bags, which had given up the ghost. It has a Velcro tie for tying the bottom of the pannier. I just added some tape on where it was sort of starting to show lines of wear, just to give it a bit of extra longevity. But yeah, I've used these a few times now and proved very good. Waterproof. I added this on just so you can stick items of clothing when you take them off and stuff like. But we'll pop them on the bike. That's them both fitted. I haven't got this rolled up very well. I just quickly fired my gear into them just to do this video. But yeah, I find I'm usually carrying just under 4 kilos. That's including the weight of the bag, 4 either side. Probably have a kilo on here. I have this little top bag. Usually carry like jelly babies and stuff in there. Some spare quick links there as well. Got little bits of bike bits that you might require. Mostly cream for the derriere. Pair of scissors. some headphones, yeah, pen knife, things that I've found that you need along the way when you're doing bikepacking trips. Okay, so I've added, that's me GoPro for filming obviously the forward stuff. There's my little X1 drone. My other camera I'm filming with, so I can't put it in there. And obviously I've got my phone as well, which I'm filming with. So yeah, I find this system works really well for me. I have the back free as well, which means I can add stuff on. So yeah, I mean, it might not be minimal, most definitely isn't minimal, but it's comfortable, and it works for me. This is not properly on. I've just fitted the frame bag, the front roll bag, just to show you what it's like. But yeah, that's my setup. But I'll give you a quick look in the bags, just show you what I carry. We'll delve in. I always bring my jet boil. I find on these trips works well. That's my bag of bits, cables. I've got a power bank in there, like a mozzie net that you can wear on your head, which we needed last year. Bits of tablets, first aid kit, little radio, spare lighter, just bits and bobs stuff. That there is my toilet kit and a hand warmer. This one is just bits and pieces of spare clothing. Normally I'm away for 2 to 3 days, 3 nights. So I don't take a lot of clothing. You don't need to be changing your clothes every day. I learned that one. Got my tarp and associated cables required for that. I've got a carbon fibre tarp pole, and then I've got, that's just food, coffees. I do take like a couple of dehydrated meals with us just in case, but normally when we're on tour we stop at places for breakfast. We know where we're going, so there's places that we can get food for lunch and even on a night time. So pack minimum food, enough to get you through in case you miss a day for whatever reason. You've always got something to fall back on. But I do like a coffee in the morning, so yeah, the stove is a must. Okay, second bag. This is just like a little montane wind shirt. Comes in handy. There's my Vango Neon UL one, which I used for the first time on a bike camp last time out. I'll leave a link above for that one. So that's really light, 500, maybe just under 600 grams with the pegs. I've got a foil mat. I normally put that down before I put my sleep mat down. Just got a little sit pad. Just got a little hat that I wear around camp. Fingerless gloves always come in handy. Got a big 30,000 milliamp power bank there, and that'll last 2 or 3 days, that one. Got a light, mostly just for filming and stuff like that. It's another pair of montane down gloves. Oh, like down. That's me sleep system as such. So got a sleep mat in there. I think it's my Thermarest X Lite. Pillow, pair of clean dry socks, and some more mini hand warmers as well. Little black plastic sheet. I usually use that sitting on. This is just a cosy thing for if I do have the hydrated meals, I can put them in there. It just keeps them warm. And then I have a cloth. Cloth's always handy in the morning for wiping any dew off your tent and such like. And I also have a pair of snug pack down pants, or then downy type pants. Yeah, and in this one, obviously, I have my down jacket on my sleeping bag, which is usually my lightweight one because, you know, the winter camps, you know, you've got to pack a bit more stuff. But in the summer, I'll just have my lightweight sleeping bag. That's why I have the down pants, doubles up, gives you the extra layer. Same with the jacket, so you can get yourself another 2 or 3 degrees. But yeah, that is my bike camping, bike packing setup. Thanks for watching.